back out here, private out east moto track. We worked till 3:30 today, and now pounding block, and now we're gonna pound some motos. Jack has nothing to say. He's mute today. It's Thursday, and I'm just about to hit the road. Just pulling out of the driveway. Anyways, it's Thursday, and I'm going riding at a sand track. No 450 Bryce, no Cactus Jack. Solo ride today. I'm actually meeting a guy out there, Mike Schenk. He's like this vintage champion. He was a pro back in the day. He's like a 100-time vintage racing champion now. And so we're gonna go rip up the sand track and try and get extremely beat, because this place is not fun at all, but it's satisfying. Heading out, put the work in, and then we're gonna race Sterling this weekend. Local race. Should be pretty gnarly. Since I'm 30 now, I can do 4 classes, and it's a lot of motos throughout a day, 8 motos in one day. But could be good training, good sprint training, and just overall real good training on a good track for Thunder Valley. Ready to do it. Hit it. Yes, sir. So, Mike, what do you think of the track today?
It's bitchin'.
Yeah?
Yep. I lost 10 pounds endoing.
Yeah, and your ego.
Yeah. I was riding like a squid. Ready to do it again.
Yeah, let's go do it again.
All right.
10 laps.
All right. What's up, Passau? The Bonafide Lords, we're heading out to Sterling MX for the RMRA Motocross race this weekend. Old ColeTrain and Cactus Jack. Solo crewing it this weekend. Who's gonna pack our gates? Ourselves. But heading out for the motocross race. It's just a hell of a drive out there. Weather's beautiful. Hopefully it rains and it's just a mutter.
Cole does not want to have fun. It's far too early for this shit.
We're here watering the track. Maybe the pits, I don't know. Well, we made it out here for the Sterling MX RMRA. About to go for the first round of practice. We got Jack getting ready. Should be a fun time. We'll see how it goes. The boys are ready.
Dirt bikes.
The two boys. little overcast, track looks a little muddy, but be a good day in Colorado.
Yeah.
Quail eggs. We got some breakfast for tomorrow. Hopefully no one eats them. We're looking to load up on that protein.
Damn, fool. That shit's fucked up, fool. This guy is dying from the inside. Truly dying.
After riding today, I've had bad stomach cramps.
Good old healthy dinner. Bratwursts. This shit bussin'.
Bussin'?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Track is looking good for tomorrow. We just walked the track. It looks good for tomorrow. We'll see if we get any rain. I don't think it's going to be quite as ruddy tomorrow unless it does rain. See you in the morning. What are we doing? Is this your van?
This is not my van. I actually just stole it. GTA 5.
Oh, nice.
Boats and hose.
Good
morning.
Chairs. They're wet.
We're here Sunday morning. It's a little foggy out. Be a good day today.
It's dirt bike time.
Oh god.
Cole Shondeck.
Shondeck.
About to go out for his first moto. recap of the weekend while I'm walking back to the van here. Cole did great. Came out and started kicking ass, and all these guys start getting mad because they think he's just a trail rider. On the other hand, Jack should probably quit riding dirt bikes. It's fucked up. He sucked balls. Oh well. Had fun. Track was sweet. Shout out to Matt Sweeney and Rob Lamotti for putting it on. It was a fun time. Until next time.
Oh, 14, full 14.
So wet. Naked.
Good weekend of moto. Yeah, it was good. That's all. Track was rough. Got 2 wins, some seconds and thirds, and it was a good weekend. So a little recap of the race weekend, because it's very exhausting trying to do everything yourself, because this guy just sleeps. All he does. He didn't help drive. Nothing. But no, he helped me on the line a few times, which was cool. But yeah, race recap from the weekend. Sterling, track was really good. The racing was really good. Guys were going really fast. Worked on the bike a lot through the weekend, which I think we made good progress for the rest of the year, and just had some good motos. I was able to win the vet class. I got second in 450A, third in Open Pro, and then second in 25 plus. So I'm really, I'm happy with the weekend. I'm super beat. Today was like a struggle. Extremely sore and just like mentally fried from everything that just went down all weekend, but very stoked that we went and raced. It was a good weekend. What do you have to say for it?
Dirt bikes suck. That's all I have to say.
He had one of those weekends, but he'll be back. He'll be ready when it's time.
Oh yeah, we'll be ready.
Yeah. So hope you enjoy the race vlog from this week.